I'm one of the art batches. Yeah, is that how you say it? Is it a batch? Is
the batches, yeah.
Batch. All right. I made you. I made all you niggas. Road to Hollywood. For your entertainment. A bunch of light-skinned niggas from Canada.
Hey, man.
Alright, man.
Hey, yo, hold this camera so I can enjoy these Cheetos, man.
You know where you going?
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, what's up, man?
It's like rocket power out here. Yeah, hey, rocket power. This is like the beasts that you see on TV, man.
Yeah.
Good badge. Badge about to do something wild right now, cuz. Yay. That's what's up.
Do it too?
You just gotta do a drop-in, bro. It's a drop-in. Oh, that one's kind of steep, Badge. I don't know. Maybe right here, yeah. Hold on.
Hey, Badge, don't kill yourself. You got a future, right?
Dude, hey. Come on now. Be careful.
Now, you're supposed to go with your... Are you left or right? Are you left or right?
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Hey, give me a push.
Oh, Badge.
Lean forward. All right, lean forward. There you go.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Almost busted out.
That was a nice drop in.
Yeah, man.
That's how you do it, dog. You showing what's up. Badge better than all these fucking boarders out here, homie.
Produce direct
and skateboard. Act, produce, direct, skateboard.
Oh shit! Point. Point with the left.
Batcher is about to rip this nigga right now. Batcher's about to rip this nigga, bro. You already know what's going down.
The battle begins. Oh! He's slipping. Rip him, girl. Oh, he hit you with the waves. He's coming between him. Oh, shit. He took it back.
Oh, you late. Yeah, we vlogging, nigga. We vlogged out, cuz. We vlogged out, cuz. What's up? What's up with your vlog, cuz? What's up with your vlog, cuz? What's up with that, nigga? What's up? Alright, cool. Yo, so check out Kane's fans. Kane's fans came through.
To him, nigga.
They tried to make me late.
Every fucking day, I gotta hear this nigga do that. So finally, nigga, you here.
I go to my school and I was late one day and I went to my friends and I was like, but they tried to make me late.
Influencing these children.
Take it away from my food time. Take it away.
We got Batch in here, Kane.
Road to Hollywood for y'all entertainment and this. We got Sheila. What up, Sheila?
We got Sheila up in here.
We got Sheila.
We got for y'all.
You know what I'm saying? We got that YouTube money.
We got that YouTube money. We're trying to change 100 for these here 20s.
Go ahead, count that up.
20. Which 40.
How much would you do?
Pretty much like 11.
40. 60.
Yes, nigga.
Alright. 80.
Yes, nigga.
Well, hold on.
I'm gonna need them 3 bottles.
Let me see. Hold it up to the light. Hold it up to the light.
That good?
Oh, yeah, we go.
Hey, what they do? It's your boy Trey.
Let's go.
First of all, son,
Somebody knock this nigga out. Somebody knock this nigga out for me.
somebody your wolf.
Somebody jump.
You're gonna listen to what the hell I'm saying. This is what I'm doing. You understand? You understand? Okay, all right. This is what I'm telling you. Are you listening? We're gonna walk in there, all right? You're gonna